we'll guide you through how to use WordCounter Tool. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to count words, check reading time, and analyze text details accurately. Many users need these features for writing assignments, articles, speeches, or content creation. The guide helps beginners understand how to use WordCounter efficiently without confusion or missing important tools. To begin this tutorial, open your computer and wait until the system finishes starting so the desktop screen appears clearly and is ready for use. Click Search in the bottom left corner to open the search bar and prepare it for typing. Next, type Google Chrome in the field provided and pause briefly while the application appears in the results. Click Open in Google Chrome to open it and allow the browser window to load fully. Once opened, click Search in the browser so the address bar becomes active. Then, type wordcounter.net and press Enter on your keyboard to load the website. Once opened, click Sign In at the top of the page to begin accessing your account. Enter your email address and password carefully into the appropriate fields to avoid errors. Click Login to log in and submit your information to the site. Wait for the login process to complete and ensure the page refreshes successfully. Next, click More at the top to reveal additional options. Select Details at the top, and if you want to display paragraphs, click the On button to activate it. If you want to see the reading level, click the Off button to activate it. And if you want to see the reading time, click the On button to activate it. Next, click the Speaking Time button to view the speaking time in your text. Click the Off button in Word to display the words in your text clearly. Click Done in the bottom right corner to save your selected settings. Paste your text into the field provided so it appears in the editor area. Click Details on the left side and activate the tools you want. And once enabled, the selected information will appear here for easy viewing and reference while you review and work with your text carefully.